Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to do reading for Sagittarius 5 sign. This is January bi-weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages and what's going on Sagittarius 5 sign. Energy could be vice versa guys. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Sagittarius. Eight of Swords, the Star and Page of Cups. Seven of Cups, Seven of Wands and Eight of Cups. Yeah. Under the deck, Seven of Swords. Yeah. I think your person may be manipulative. They played games with you. They may be in and out of your life. There is no consistency in this connection. There is no consistent communication. Regarding the communication, false communication. They gave you false hope regarding the connection, regarding the commitment, whatever. There is something is not good for you. This person is sneaky. Okay, let's see your reading. In recent past, Eight of Swords, the Star and Page of Cups. Yeah, you feeling stuck. Definitely in recent past you were stuck thinking about your person a lot, but you overcome that. Then the Star. Yeah, I think you more concentrating on your career, you more creating on your money. Yeah, you investing energy on yourself, Sagittarius. And Page of Cups, someone feeling regret and some messages and they want to say apology. It could be your person because under the deck like Seven of Swords energy is here. Definitely someone from past want to come back again and they want to say apology. For some, if not, it is going to be. Yeah, they are going to be message you and some apology. Page of Cups is here. For some, children's also involved in this connection. So right now what is going in your connection? Seven of Cups, Seven of Wands and Eight of Cups. I think you are very defensive right now. Seven of Cups. Yeah, you have options, Sagittarius. And Eight of Cups, maybe you walked away from one connection. I think from your relationship you walked away because there is an equal give and take. You only the person always investing in this connection, but the other person is in and out of your life. I think they are in so much confusion what I'm getting here, what they want. There is no clarity what I'm getting here because Seven of Cups. But you are very clear about what you want. That's why you walked away because you deserve best. You deserve love. So that's why you walked away. For some, there is separation still going between you and your person. I think there is no contact between both of you because you are in this position. Four of Swords, future energies. You are not talking to them but thinking about them a lot. And yeah, maybe you cut them off. No communication. You stand by your power. You are very grounded, Sagittarius. And the Eight of Pentacles, you are concentrating on your career. You are investing your energy on yourself only. Wow. You are getting financial stability. You are getting a lot of abundance. What I am getting here. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah. You are working towards your dreams. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, Page of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to come back. Maybe this time they may be sincere also because Knight of Pentacles is very stable energy but very slow energy. So first we will see your person current feelings. Later we will see their near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Yeah, again, Seven of Swords. Under the deck, Eight of Wands. Definitely lots of communication is coming in your way. They want to say apology for what they did to you. Definitely Seven of Swords, the Magician. They're trying to manifest you again back. They want you back. Because in past, there is no commitment. Your person is non-committal to you, but now they want to offer commitment because they know they did something wrong to you. Because Seven of Swords energy, they're thinking about they maybe lied to you, cheated on you, maybe they are putting in a third party situation. Definitely this person could be manipulator or player in past, but now for some your person is really changing for you. Yeah, they really want to manifest you back. And in past there are some commitment issues between you and your person, Sagittarius. Now your person want to commit to you. They're ready to offer commitment. Yeah, under the deck 8 of Wands, definitely lots of communication is coming in your way. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Yeah, 3 of Cups, they want reconciliation, they want celebration with you. Judgment, Hanged Woman. I think you both are stuck on each other. And under the deck 10 of Swords. Yeah, your person feeling right now this way. They want rebirth in this connection. They want you back because without you they are feeling like this. They are in this pain without you, Sagittarius. Yeah, 3 of Cups, for some it could be third party situation. Third party means it could be their friend, their mother, their sister. It could be anything. Definitely some third party situation for some, but they are going to be make some decisions because Judgment is here and they are thinking about you a lot. Hanged Woman, some spiritual awakening, they are getting awakening for this connection. And Judgment, yeah, some major decisions. Yeah, they are going to be choose you. And 3 of Cups, they want reconciliation, some major decision, they are getting clarity and they are thinking about you a lot. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome, Sagittarius. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. And 6 of Wands, they want to win you back again in their life. And the Chariot with 3 of Pentacles, they do really want to work on this relationship. Chariot is slow moving energy, still there is movement. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. They want success in this relationship. They want you back. Three of Pentacles, collaboration, partnership. Think in past there is no balance between both of you. Yeah, maybe you are also spying on them on social media, Sagittarius. Maybe they, but you stand by your power, Empress. Yeah, you are very grounded. You are okay with them or without them. It doesn't matter for you anymore because you are be like this, the Empress. And yeah, you are heartbroken. Under the deck 3 of Swords. Definitely you are in so much pain. You are also missing them. Yeah, they are coming back to offer commitment. It's up to you totally because it's your time. Because you stand by your power, you are very grounded. Sagittarius, it's totally in your hands. They are coming back. An apology, and they really want to work on this relationship. If you let them in, definitely this relationship is going to be next level, what I'm getting here. So let's see your overall energy, Sagittarius. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Cancer, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. King of Cups, Judgment. Yeah, you are the decision maker. You are going to be 3 of Cups, reconciliation, and the Emperor. Wow, I think here Empress, here Emperor. Definitely you both are very strong couple, and definitely you stand by your power and we are very grounded. Someone is coming back for reconciliation, or you are going to celebrate your life in another area like career. And Judgment, some major decisions. And King of Cups, yeah, they are coming back with offer, love offer. Yeah, this person have love for you. So let's see your person overall energy, Sagittarius. Yeah, communication. They want to communication with you. Lots of communication is coming. And 5 of Swords. Yeah, there is a lot of drama is going between now you and your person. And yep, Knight of Swords. They want to communicate. They're coming back to you to communicate with you. They're rushing towards you. And 10 of Swords. Yeah, they want rebirth in this situation, in this connection. They are in so much pain without you. They want rebirth. Yeah. They're rushing towards you to communicate with you, Sagittarius. Lots of communication is coming towards you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Sagittarius. Wow, prosperity lies ahead. Definitely you are getting financial abundance. Lot of abundance is coming in your way. If you are doing any work, you are creating more money, and in near future, definitely your money is growing. Definitely prosperity lies ahead. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.